I'm going to be caulking a glass shower stall. Keep watching the video, I'll show you how you do that. Today we're going to be caulking a glass shower stall. So what's actually happened is the previous caulking here is broken free. There was some pressure on this glass which broke the caulking seal. So we're going to be cutting the old sealant out, disposing that, and applying new caulking to firm this up again and make it safe. First step we're going to do is we're going to cut it away. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. Okay, so to cut the old caulking away, you just need a utility knife like this. Just extend it really long, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press firmly down, and I'm just going to start working the old caulking away. I'm just pressing the knife flat against the surface, and it's pretty much coming clean, so you can see. You want to get all of that away, all cleaned out, before we can clean it and apply the new caulking. After we remove the caulking now, we're just going to use a rag and just going to make sure the surface is clean and dry before you can apply the new caulking. So I'm just going to use this duct tape to hold this glass in place because it's still a little bit flimsy moving while I'm caulking. So the duct tape's just going to hold it so that I can apply the caulking. So I'm just going to use a Silicone Mono Pro, which is for kitchens and bathrooms, and I'm going to start the application process right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this into the silicone gun. I'm going to run a bead along here, and then I'm just going to show you how to finish the silicone off. There is tools that you can buy to run along the silicone if you don't know how to use your finger or thumb. That's the kind of old school way you want to call it. I tend to always use my thumb or finger just to get that smooth finish on the silicone after. So I'm going to start by applying on this side and also applying on the inside of this glass. So we've already cut the silicone top off on a somewhat of a 45-degree angle, and I'm just going to go ahead and start applying along the bottom here. Now the silicone I'm using is a clear silicone. It may look somewhat white right now, but once that dries, it will turn completely clear. So I'm just going along the side here. Of course, I got my tape there, just have to continue on here. Okay, so I just applied the silicone along the bottom of the stall. I've got my rag just to wipe off excess silicone, and I'm just going to use my finger and just start running it along. If I start spreading too much, then I just wipe it. I'm just going along to the end here. Okay, I'm going to give it a wipe, and I'm going to go back over it until I'm satisfied with the finish. You don't want to press too hard. You don't want to remove too much of it. Just the pressure of your finger alone will do it. And just pay attention to the edge of the stall and the bottom of the tile here. That's all I'm trying to do, is just blend it against that, and I want to leave a lot of silicone in the middle part, or the middle section of that. So you just see how I'm smoothing out like so. And I got to do the same for the inside. The bottom's finished caulked, so now we're going to cut along the wall here the old caulking just as we did the floor, and we're gonna start that right now.
Can you check and see one on?
We just finished wiping down the wall after removing the caulking, just like we did on the bottom, and we're ready to start applying the caulking, the new caulking. If you're liking this video, don't forget to hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it. So we're just going to go ahead and start applying, forcing it into the groove, all the way down. So we've applied the caulking. We're just going to do the same thing. I'm going to use my middle finger and just drag it along to pick up the excess caulking, just like we did on the bottom one. So just like this. If you know anybody that can benefit from this video, please share it with them. That'd be much appreciated. Okay. Just remember not to press too hard. You can go it over a couple times. Okay guys, that's it. The job's done. The client can resume using the shower in the morning when the caulking dries. Don't forget to leave a comment below, hit the subscribe button, tap that bell, turn notifications on for all upcoming videos, and we'll see you next time. Take care guys, bye-bye.